Live session. Live session. Live session. Hello everyone, good morning, welcome to EduTap. Guys, if you can hear me properly without any audio issues, please type yes in the chat box. I apologize for the delay of 5 minutes due to a technical glitch. So if you can hear me properly without any audio issues, please type yes in the chat box. Guys, can you hear me? Yes, Anil Sharma is saying that he can hear me. Muhammad Saddam can hear me properly. Okay, that's cool. So you shall be getting all the PDFs in a Telegram channel. And if you are a course student, you can also get the PDFs in the course. Okay, I'm audible to everyone. Very good. Okay. So guys, if you're new to our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as you can also join our Telegram channel. And you can also contact us if you want to avail, if you want to purchase any course that we are providing. You can log on to our website www.edutap.co.in. You can call us at 8146207241 for any inquiry, and also you can write an email to us at hello@edutap.co.in. Guys, this is the EduTap Hall of Fame. Here we post the interviews and strategies of our RBI Gr B, NABARD Gr A, as well as SEBI Gr A toppers. EduTap has been blessed with many students who have been selected in RBI, NABARD and SEBI examination. So if you want to know the strategies of these students, you can check their interviews on our YouTube channel. So EduTap provides you courses for RBI Gr B, NABARD Gr A, NABARD Gr B, SEBI Gr A, EPFO Enforcement Officer, as well as IB, okay, Investigation Bureau Officers. So if you want to purchase any such courses, if you want to avail any of the benefit, you want to get selected in such examination, or you're preparing for such examination, so you can check out the courses. The link is in the description box. You can also call us at 8146207241, or you can write a mail to us for more inquiry, hello@edutap.co.in. You can also download the EduTap app from the Play Store. So the very first question for you guys: which of the following is not a determinant of a product's demand? Which of the following is not a determinant of a product's demand? Taxes and subsidies, changes in consumer preferences, changes in price of substitute products, D, consumer expectations. Sumit Kumar, you shall be getting the PDFs of the practice question in the Telegram channel. Okay. So I shall be giving you only 30 to 40 seconds to reply for each and every question, and I want each and everyone to reply to each and every question. The very first question is in front of you. Which of the following is not a determinant of a product's demand? Taxes and subsidies, changes in consumer preferences, changes in price of substitute products, or consumer expectations? 32 students, I can see they are online. I want each and everyone to reply. Hurry up, guys. Most of you are saying A. Okay, A. Everyone is going with A. Let us check. Yes, the correct answer is A. Taxes and subsidies. It is not a determinant of a product's demand. Rest every point. Changes in consumer preference, change in price of substitute products, as well as consumer expectations. They are the determinants of a product's demand. Guys, if the consumer preference is towards other products, then up the price of our product will fall. If the price of other product, like if I am selling Coca-Cola, okay, the price of Pepsi will decide my price, because my price will be equitable to the price of my substitute products. And consumer expectation, what the consumer is expecting out of you. If the consumer is expecting brand value, okay, or luxury, then the consumer will buy Rolls-Royce. If he is expecting fuel efficiency from you, then he will buy a Toyota or a Maruti car or a Hyundai car. If he wants fuel efficiency, as well as if he wants a low maintenance, then he shall go for a third category of car. So consumer expectations, change in price of substitute products, change in consumer preferences, they shall be the determinants of a product demand. But taxes and subsidies, they are not the factor for a determination of a product's demand. Okay, you can check out the explanation here. The determinants of demand are the price of the goods or service, income level of the buyers, prices of related goods or services, whether they are complementary goods or whether they are substitute goods. Okay, the taste or preference of consumers will drive demand. Consumer expectations, okay, these are the factors which drive the demand or which determine the demand of a product. Taxes and subsidies are determinants of supply and not demand. Okay, taxes are determinant of selling price or supply, we can say. Nandini, your answer was wrong. The correct answer was A. Milind, your answer was also wrong. Question number 2 in front of you. The net realizable value approach mandates that the NRV, net realizable value of the byproducts or scrap be treated as dash: an increase in joint cost, a sunk cost, a reduction of joint cost, or a cost that can be ignored totally. Guys, I can see 34 students are online, so I would request you to please like the video. Hit the like button, guys. Agni Chatterjee is the first one to reply for question number 2. He is saying C would be the correct answer according to Agnik. Okay, guys, you are having your exam on the coming Sunday, so kindly go through each and every topics. If you are working, please take holiday, please take leave. Today is also a leave. Lodi is a festival. First of all, happy Lodi to everyone. And today is also a leave, so avail the benefit of this leave. Okay, you are having an exam in the next 4 to 5 days, so please study well, revise all the concepts. You have to clear the cutoff. I want to see each and everyone clear the cutoff, and I want each and everyone to let us know, okay, your marks, your strategy, your feedback of our course. Okay, was our course beneficial for you or not? If you are an EduTap student or a YouTube student, I want each and everyone to let us know your preparation level, your feedback for our videos, as well as how was your exam. Okay, Agnik is saying C, Neha is going with B, Mohammed is going with B, Yagnesh B, Nandini C, Pranav going with B, Vivek is going with D, Roshan going with sunk cost, Neha B, Milind B. So most of you are going with B, Agnik and Nandini going with C, and Vivek is going with D. 33 students are online, only 7 to 8 students have replied. Hurry up, guys, I want each and everyone to reply. Each and everyone should reply, guys. Harshita is going with B. The correct answer for this question is C. The net realizable value approach mandates that the net realizable of the byproducts or scrap be treated as a reduction of joint cost. Okay, guys, what they are trying to say, that net realizable value of the scrap, it should be treated as a reduction of joint cost. Okay, if I am producing something, any example you can take, and due to that process a byproduct or a scrap is also, by default it is being produced. Now the realizable value, if I am going to sell that scrap, okay, if I am going to sell that scrap, the money that will be realized from the sale of that scrap, that should be treated as a reduction of joint cost. NRV stands for net realizable value. Okay, Sumit. Sapna, your answer is wrong. Only Onkar, Nandini and Agnik has given the correct answer. Rest everyone has given the wrong answer. Next question. Dash method of costing is used when it is desired to ascertain the cost of carrying out an operation in a department. Operating costing, operation costing, composite costing, or process costing. Dash method of costing is used when it is desired to ascertain the cost of carrying out an operation in a department. Operation costing, operating costing, composite costing, or process costing. Anil, our EduTap Telegram channel is by the name of EduTap only. If you can search EduTap, RBI, NABARD, SEBI, EPFO. Hurry up, guys, I want the answer to this question. The link of our Telegram channel is also given in the description box. Okay, So if anyone is not able to find our channel, Telegram channel on the Telegram, so you can check out the link also. The link of this particular PDF is also available, and the link to our Telegram channel is also available in the description box. Many of you are going with B, operation costing. Nadeem is going with D, Sumit is going with D, rest everyone is going with, Mohammed is also going with D, Akshita going with D, Mansi going with D. So half of the students are going with B and half are going with D. So some are saying operation costing, some are saying process costing. The correct answer is B, operation costing. Operation costing is a method of costing used when it is desired to ascertain the cost of carrying out an operation in a department. You can see the operation word, it is in the question also. Okay, we are not going to determine the cost of a particular process. We are going to determine the cost of a operation. Okay, so the correct answer would be operation costing. Am I clear to you? Lakshmi's answer is wrong. Sapna, Sandeep. Sapna's answer is correct. Milin's answer is wrong. Anshu, your answer is correct. Mansi's answer is wrong. Ankit, correct. Learn with Akshita, wrong. Question number 4, guys. According to Kevin Blanchard, which of the following maturity levels means the same as developmental level D3? According to Kevin Blanchard, which of the following maturity levels means the same as developmental levels D3? M1, M2, M3, M4. Anshu got late. Okay, Anshu, no issue. Please mention the question number with your answers. Agnik is saying C. Preet Kaur going with C. Jagnesh is saying C. Harshita C. Pranav is going with C. C, M3. Most of you are going with C. Okay, Sumit Kumar. Nobody has wished me for the festival of today, yaar. Happy Lohri to everyone. Most of you are going with C. Hurry up, guys. You won't have so much time in the examination. I hope everyone has replied. The correct answer is C only. According to Kevin Blanchard, M3 of maturity level means the same as developmental level D3. Okay. Happy Lohri, Sapna. Happy Lohri. Ankit, Preet Kaur. Onkar, your answer is wrong. Next question. IIFCL was founded in the year dash. IIFCL was founded in the year dash. 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007. Also to mention the full form of IIFCL. Let us see who remembers the full form of IIFCL. IIFCL was founded in the year dash. Achha, tell me the full form of IIFCL. Those who are skipping the question, let me know the full form of IIFCL. So happy Bhogi to everyone also, happy Makar Sankranti also, happy Onam also, happy Gudi Parva also. I guess Gudi Parva is the new year for in Maharashtra, okay? I guess. Correct me if I'm wrong. Ankit is going with 2006. Okay, the full form of IIFCL. Preet Kaur has replied India Infrastructure Finance Company Limited. And most of you are saying it was founded in the year 2006, and some have skipped the question. Yes, your answer is correct. IIFCL was founded in the year 2006. Okay, so IIFCL is a wholly owned government of India company set up in 2006 to provide long-term financial assistance to viable infrastructure projects through the scheme of financial viable infrastructure projects through a SPV, special purpose vehicle, called India Infrastructure Finance Company Limited. So the full form given by all of you is correct, broadly referred to as SIFT. Okay. So everyone is given the correct answer. 2006 is the year of IIFCL, as well as the full form is India Infrastructure Finance Company Limited. The next question for you: in India, the domestic banks are rated on the CAMELS model. What is the meaning of L in CAMELS? What is the meaning of L in CAMELS? And if anyone can write the entire full form of CAMELS, that would be very good. I have given you the option: license, liquidity, liability, lending. Mrunal is saying B, liquidity. Agnik Roshan going with C. Happy Lori to everyone. Happy Lori, Karan. Anyone can write the full form of CAMELS? 44 students are online. I would request you to like the video. Most of you are going with B. Okay. Write the full form of CAMELS. The correct answer is B. In CAMELS, L stand for liquidity. Please write the full form of CAMELS. Please write the full form of CAMELS. Capital adequacy, asset, quality, management, earnings, and liquidity. Roshan, Akshita, Kunal has given the correct answer. CAMELS stand for capital adequacy, asset quality, management, earnings, and liquidity. Okay, correct answer. Moving on to the next question. If a business delivers its own products by its own transport, the cost per ton kilometers may be misleading. For an article may have a bulk which is twice that of the other, through of the same weight. It should be though. Okay, though of the same weight. In such a case, dash is selected as the unit: standard load, actual load, estimated load, or budgeted load. If a business delivers its own products by its own transport, the cost per ton kilometers may be misleading, for an article may have a bulk which is twice that of the other, though of the same weight. Okay, some items are bulkier, some are lighter. Okay, in such a case, dash is selected as the unit: budgeted load, estimated load, actual load, or standard load. Jagnesh is saying B. Roshan is going with B. Satyaprakash Jha is saying standard load. Agnik has skipped it. Some are saying C, some are saying B, some are going with A. So I've got a mix of answers for 7th question. Hurry up guys, everyone should reply. Some are skipping it. Guys, a lot of question can be solved by the common sense also. You guys are not applying common sense, I can see. Understand the meaning of the question. In the examination, the language of the question can be different. Okay. So, and in the examination also, you guys have a lot of pressure. So you shall be calm and you should apply your common sense. Try to read the question. Most of the options will be eliminated by common sense only. The correct answer will be A, standard load. Okay. If a business delivered its own product by its own transport, the cost per ton kilometers may be misleading, for an article may have a bulk which is twice that of the other, though of the same weight. In such a case, the standard load is selected as the unit. Estimated is the wrong answer, budgeted is the wrong answer. Okay. And actually is the wrong answer. The standard load will be, standard load means this is a standard. Okay. This will be the standard. Budgeted is for the entire organization. Okay, actual cannot be taken here. Actual cannot be taken here because that will be misleading. So ultimately it should be either standard or estimated. Okay, and if you have read the concept, you guys know that it is standard only. So by the help of elimination technique also you can solve the questions. Moving on to the next question, question number 8. You have to calculate the material cost variance on the following. Vivek, we are not having a lot of time to explain the particular question. You have to calculate the material cost variance from the following: actual quantity 50 kg, standard price 2 rupees per kg, actual price rupees 3 per kg, standard quantity 30 kg. Material cost variance would be what? 50 adverse, 90 adverse, 40 favorable, 20 adverse. Roshan, Vivek, we are not having the time to explain it because I need to cover a lot of question and you are having your exam by 4 days. Okay. What you can do, if you are a course student, please revise the particular concept in the course. I would request you to do that. Agnik is going with 90 adverse. Write the formula also for material cost variance. One student is going with A, one is going with C, some are going with B. So there's an ambiguity. Many are saying A, many are saying B. 2-3 students are also going with C. Hurry up guys, write the formula for material cost variance. Some are going with B, some are going with A. Hurry up guys, each and everyone should reply. The correct answer is B. Okay, 90 adverse. Vivek, I'm really sorry we are not having a lot of time to explain the particular concept in this lecture. Some have written the formula: standard price into standard quantity minus actual price into actual quantity. Okay, let us see the complete explanation to this question. Yes, your answer is correct. Standard quantity into standard price minus actual quantity into actual price. Okay, material cost variance. So you have the data. It will be 30 into 2 minus 50 into 3. That would be 60 minus 150. Ultimately it would come 90 adverse. So material cost variance is 90 adverse. Guys, trust me, 1 or 2 questions will definitely be asked from this standard costing chapter. Okay, standard costing is a very important chapter. You cannot leave it. Standard costing and ratio analysis, very important chapters. Okay, don't leave it. Don't leave them. Question number 9. Which of the following statement is true? Which of the following statement is true? The activity driver rate can be used to cost products as in traditional absorption costing, but it can also cost other cost objects such as customers, customer segments and distribution channel. Second, activity based costing is an alternative to traditional way of overhead accounting. You have to tell me which of the following statement is true. Only one, only two, both 1 and 2, or none of the above. You have to let me know which of the following statement is true. Only first statement is true, only second is true, both are true, or none of the above. 53 students are online. I would request you to please hit the like button. Some are saying B, some are going with C. Hurry up guys, you won't get so much time in the examination. I guess most of you are saying that first is correct. Okay, sorry, you are saying that second is correct, but you have doubt in first. Okay, the correct answer is C, both 1 and 2. Both the statement is true. Okay, ABC is an alternative way to traditional way of overhead accounting. And second, the activity driver rate can be used to cost products as in traditional absorption costing, but it can also cost other cost objects such as customer segments and distribution channel. Both the statement are true. Okay, in ABC costing a lot of question can be formed from your theory part, so do revise the theory part also. Okay guys, for 9th question, C is the correct answer. Moving on to the 10th question. An entity installed an assembly line in 2015. In 2019, rupees 2 lakh was invested to automate the line. The automation increased the market value and productive capacity of the assembly line but did not affect its useful life. Proper accounting for the cost of automation should be to dash A. Report it as an expense in 2020. Establish a separate account for the 2 lakh. Allocate the cost of automation between the asset and accumulated depreciation accounts, or debit the cost to the property, plant and equipment account. So मुझे saying सर costing बिल्कुल नहीं कि can we leave it important topics. Okay. Leaving something would not be an ideal option. Okay. For phase 1 you can leave some topics because you have to just qualify the that cutoff. But for phase 2 that would not be an ideal option. And I don't know how are your other subjects. If you are good at other subjects, just revise the important topics for costing and you can move ahead. If you are not good with other subjects, if you are having any doubts in other subject also, then you have to do some topics of costing also. In costing, I am telling you standard costing, the topics that are explicitly mentioned in the notification. Okay, that too you have to do, that you cannot leave. The rest topic, something around them you can leave. Do revise the topic that is mentioned in the notification. 50% to 60% topics you have to do. Okay, and standard costing is one of them. For 10th question, many are saying C, many are saying D, one is saying C. Okay, you guys want to say that it should be debited to the cost of property, plant and equipment. The correct answer is option number D. What is the logic behind it? Guys, when something is invested into property, plant and equipment and that increases the market value, okay, or the productive capacity, that is very important. When the value addition is done, okay, this is not a repair. If repair is done, then it will be treated as an expense. Okay, but here there's the value addition, the productive capacity is increased, so that should be added to the cost of property, plant and equipment. This is explicitly mentioned in the AS 10. Okay, property, plant and equipment. Accounting standard you cannot leave. Questions will be definitely asked from accounting standards. Okay guys, moving on to question number 11th. You have to calculate the trade payables ratio from the following information. सिद्धार्थ सिंह, यूजफुल लाइफ इंक्रीज कहाँ हुई? यूजफुल लाइफ इंक्रीज नहीं हुई, लेकिन प्रोडक्टिविटी इंक्रीज हुई. ओके, प्रोडक्टिविटी हैज गॉट इंक्रीज्ड. सो व्हेन प्रोडक्टिविटी इंक्रीजेज, then also you have to debit it to the plant, property and equipment. Okay. 11th question, you have to calculate the trade payables ratio from the following data. Credit purchases during the year is 6 lakh. Opening creditors is 1,50,000. Opening BP, bills payable, is 50,000. Closing creditors is 65,000 and closing bills payable is 35,000. You have to calculate the trade payables ratio. Options are 0.50, 4, 8, 0.25 or none of the above. Hurry up guys. Some are going with B 4 times. Okay, I want each and everyone to reply, and don't expect a lot of time to waste for the practical questions. For practical questions, you also have 40-50 seconds maximum. Don't waste time in practical questions. Okay, you have to speed up your calculations. Practical questions are going to be asked only from the accountancy part, and I'm talking about paper number 2, accountancy part and costing. Finance is theory, management is theory, company law is theory, economics is theory. Gaurangi said D 0.25. The correct answer would be option number B 4 times. Okay, many have given the correct answer. Let us see the you want the calculation. See, credit purchases are 6 lakh. Okay, the trade payable ratio is credit purchases upon average creditors plus average bills payable. Okay, so average creditors will be 1,50,000 plus 65,000. Okay, and average bills payable would be 50,000 plus 35,000. Whole divided by 2. Okay, so it would be 6 lakh divided by 6 lakh divided by 2 lakh plus 3 lakh. Okay, 75,000. 6 lakh divided by 1,50,000. 6 lakh divided by 1,50,000. So that would come as 4. So the correct answer would be 4 times. Okay, credit purchases divided by average creditors plus average bills payable. That would be 6 lakh divided by 1,50,000. Ultimately, the answer would come as 4 times. Okay, clear? Next is, the manager of a firm is entitled to a commission of 10% on net profit after his commission. If the net profit of the firm before charging commission is rupees 4,40,000, the amount of manager's commission will be dash 44,000, 40,000, 36,000 or 38,000. Before charging the commission, the net profit is 4,40,000. You have to keep it in mind, the words before charging or after charging. Okay, and this commission is charged on net profit after his commission. So the manager's commission would be dash. Simple unitary method. Simple unitary method, guys. Quick answers are expected from you. Question number 12. Agnik is going with 44,000. Sherlock Holmes going with 44,000. Shivangi going with A, 44,000. Most of you are going with 44,000. Option number A. The correct answer is option number B. I told you have to keep it in mind the words net profit after his commission. Okay, so it would be 4,40,000 into 10 divided by 110, because the commission is charged after the commission is charged on net profit after the commission. It would be 440 into 10 upon 110, so it would be 40,000. So those who have given A option, their answer is absolutely wrong. The correct answer is option number B. Question, you can see the calculation here. Question number 13. The dash declaration focuses on creating the right environment, implementing the correct framework, ensuring consumer protection measures are taken, and using data to inform and track financial inclusion efforts. Maya, Kaya, Jaya, Arya. The dash declaration focuses on creating the right environment, implementing the correct framework, ensuring consumer protection measures are taken, and using data to inform and track financial inclusion efforts. Maya, Kaya, Jaya, Arya. Agnik is going with Maya. Guys, are you counting your marks? For every correct answer, you have to add 1 mark. For every wrong answer, 0.25 negative marking. And those who are skipping any question, no marks will be added. At the end of the video, please write your marks in the comment box as well as chat box. Manan is saying Arya, rest everyone is going with A, Maya. Everyone is going with A. सब मोह माया है. विवेक कुमार जन is saying सब मोह माया है. Gorangi is going with D. The correct answer is A. It's known as Maya Declaration. Okay. The Maya Declaration focuses on creating the right environment, implementing the correct framework, ensuring consumer protection measures are taken, and using data to inform and track financial inclusion efforts. Question number 14, guys. As per the new tax regime announced in the Union Budget of India for the year 2021, dash% tax rate will be levied for a person earning income in the range of rupees 2.5 lakhs rupees 5 lakhs. Okay, this slab of 2.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs, what will be the tax rate levied for a person who is earning an income in this tax slab? 2.5%, 5%, 10%, 15%, or 13%. This question is from your current affairs part or your finance part. Manan going with A, Shivangi going with B, Agni going with B. Those who are CS, CMA students or law students, they should be very much aware of this, and those who are working, they also must be very much aware of this. So that this is from your finance part. This question is from your finance part. Most of you are going with B, 5%. The correct answer is B, 5%. For this slab of 2.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs, according to Union Budget 2021, you have to pay tax at the rate 5%. Okay, you have to pay tax at the rate 5%. Am I clear to you? So most of you have given the correct answer for this question. Very good. The next question, guys. NIRVIK scheme has been announced in the Union Budget of India 2021. NIRVIK scheme is related to dash: insurance cover for farmers, insurance cover for tribals, insurance cover for exporters, or insurance cover for fishermen. NIRVIK scheme is related to dash: insurance cover for farmers, tribals, exporters, or fishermen. Vivek is saying C. Shivangi is going with C. Hurry up, guys. Not so much time in the examination. If you shall be taking a lot of time to reply to this live chat, then how will you able to do in the exam? Exam is in the next 4 days. Exporters. Most of you are going with C. Gorangi going with B. The correct answer is C. NIRVIK scheme, which has been announced in Union Budget 2021, is related to insurance cover for exporters. Okay. Moving on to next question. Dash means to impart understanding of the message. Very easy question from communication part. Encoding, decoding, receiving, sending feedback. Dash means to impart understanding of the message. Encoding, decoding, receiving, sending, or feedback. Dash means to impart understanding of the message. Encoding, decoding, receiving, sending, feedback. For 16, some are saying B, some are going with E. Okay, you are saying it should be B, decoding. Decoding means to impart understanding of the message. Yes, correct answer is B. Decoding is the means to impart understanding of the message. Correct answer. Very good. Moving on to question number 17. In this technique, personal specialists and operating managers prepare list of statements of very effective and very ineffective behavior of an employee. What is this technique called? Critical incident technique, first choice, essay evaluation, or management by objective. In this technique, personal specialists and operating managers prepare list of statements of very effective and very ineffective behavior of an employee. What is this technique called? Critical incident technique, force choice, essay evaluation, or management by objective. Agreeing is the first one to reply. He's saying it should be A. Sapna is also going with A. Sorry, Sapna is going with B. Sky Knight is going with A. Shivangi is going with A. Many of you are going with A. It should be critical incident technique according to them. Guys, are you counting your marks? Let me know your marks in the chat box and the comment section. Before your phase 1 examination, this shall be your last video. Many of you are going with A. The correct answer is A, critical incident technique. Critical incident technique, in that personal specialist and operating manager, they prepare list of statements of highly ineffective and highly effective behavior of employee. Okay. Next question. Recently, in May 2020, the government has announced allowing Indian public companies to directly list their shares overseas. Only the companies with at least -% of their paid up capital listed on the Indian exchanges are permitted to access the overseas listing. 10%, 20%, 50%, 75%. 10%, 20%, 50%, or 75%. Hurry up, guys. Reply me the answer for question number 18th. This is the last question for the day. Riya Kapoor is saying that she thinks it's D, 75%. I guess for this question is new to most of you. You guys are guessing for this question. Priyanka is saying 10%. So some are saying 10, some 20, some are going with 50, some are going with 75. And you guys are having a doubt in this. Okay, in examination, if you're having serious doubt in some question, you have to skip it. Okay, for phase 1 I'm talking, you have to skip that particular question. Guesswork is not an ideal option for phase 1. Okay, the correct answer is 10%. Only the companies with at least 10% of their paid up capital listed on the Indian exchanges are permitted to access the overseas listing. Okay, correct answer is A, 10%. Guys, homework question for you. This homework has to be done in the comment section, not in the chat box. After the end of the video, please reply to this question in the comment section. Homework is, what is the full form of NIRVIK? Okay, what is the full form of NIRVIK? Guys, before phase 1, as this is the last revision video, so my best wishes are with all of you. Okay, please do revise properly. Okay, brush up your concepts. Each and every subject is important. In the examination, be calm. Okay, don't spend a lot of time in calculation. If you're not able to solve a particular question, if in the accountancy part or costing part, leave it for the end of the paper. Okay, don't spend a lot of time, because many of the students have a tendency in calculation part, they spend a lot of time, and ultimately in the last question, they know the question, they know the answer for this question, but then they fall short of time and they are not able to answer those questions. Okay, don't do the silly mistake. Karan is asking, am I appearing for exam 2? I don't know. I guess I'm not appearing for the exam. Okay, so guys, let me know your marks for this today's test. Out of 18, how many marks you were able to score? Those who are attending the live session, please let me know your marks now only, and those who shall be attending it afterwards, let me know your marks afterwards, okay, in the comment section. And you can also send us the feedback at hello@edutap.co.in, okay. And those who are the course student or not the course student, feedback is welcome from all of you guys, okay. So my best wishes are with all of you. After the exam, we shall be putting an analysis video also, so do check out that video also for the examination, and then we shall be starting with your phase 2 preparation, okay guys. So all the best, happy Lori, and bye bye, see you.